Hey guys, Joe here from Clean Getaway Car Detailing. Well, I have some really awesome news to tell you. So as you've probably seen, our business is growing. We're taking on new services. We're doing a lot here at Clean Getaway Car Detailing to the point where we're pretty much running out of room. So we didn't know what to do. So we had to make some calls, and something really cool has happened where we are now expanding our business. We've got more space, especially to do ceramic coatings, wrapping and window tinting. And I'm gonna show you something right now. Come with me. So this is it, guys. Unit number 2 is officially Clean Getaway Car Detailing's second shed. So this is our second unit for Clean Getaway Car Detailing here on the sunny coast. So instead of finding another complete new location or building out our shop we have now, this opportunity came up, and it's not like the most ideal situation, but it is the next best thing. And the main thing is that we've got more room to facilitate all the work we do, and it's right under the same roof, literally only 20 meters away from our main workshop. So this is where we will be doing our ceramic coatings, our wrapping, like PPF, window tinting, essentially all the clean work, because we can control the environment perfectly here, where we can fit 3-4 cars maybe in here without any dust coming in, and we can have a beautiful set temperature and just ultimately a clean workshop with the right environment to get the best possible service done. So come with me. So there's obviously a fair bit of work to do. So we're going to be painting walls, getting LED lights hanging from the ceiling, scissor lift hoists, air conditioning, everything going down, quite a bit of a install, a little bit of a fit out, I guess you could say, as well as getting the floating flooring as well. And it's going to be lit up like a Christmas tree in here, and it's just going to make way to do the best quality services. So we're going to have 2 Tesla wall chargers for all the EVs that we get in here, which is going to be really cool, and just essentially just have a really good space so that we know that our customers' cars are being done to the best possible standard, and they're going to be safe here. They're not going to be all squished in like sardines, because no one likes to see their car squished into a small shop, and they feel like, you know, it might be getting scratched or damaged or something like that. So I'm so excited for this. It's going to take a little while to get done, but the tradies are all coming in to get the work done for us and start doing it, because I'm too busy. I just can't do it myself, and quite frankly, I'm not gifted that way, so I'd rather have someone else do it and focus on what we do best here at Clean Getaway. So time to check out the fit out. Let's go. Hey guys, it is all done. How good is it? I'm so excited to finally be able to work inside of here. It's been a massive few weeks fitting this new unit out, doing all the painting, getting the electricians in, doing all the lighting, everything you've seen in this video. It's taken a while, but we finally got there. It's going to be such a good space for us to work in, doing all our tinting, our ceramic coatings, and also our paint protection film in this space. So thank you so much for supporting us over the 12 years of being in business. We can't wait for another 12. And if you want to book in your car, please come see us. Or if you just want to come down and check out our space, we'd love to show you it. And of course, there's a few things we've got to iron out, a few teething things we've got to fix up. So I can't wait to get that all sorted out, but super excited to have this new space. Thanks so much for watching this video.